Hey guys, this is Paul, New Jersey Animal Pest Control Specialist, serving the entire state of New Jersey. And this particular video is on our raccoon trapping. Let me just put that over there. And my trusty cheaters, my glasses. Raccoon trapping for this customer at a customer's house. They couldn't catch these raccoons. They had very little success. They went to Home Depot. They bought a Have a Heart trap. Well, this is our trap. It's a bigger trap for female raccoons because the mothers are bigger than the males, by the way. But this raccoon litter, and usually a litter for raccoons runs 3 to 5, groundhogs 4 to 7, skunks 4 to 7, groundhogs 3 to 5, raccoons 3 to 5. But these raccoons were a very smart litter. Animals have different IQs, just like us. There's some dumb litters and some smart litters. This litter was very smart. Well, what they were doing was when the customer would put the bait inside the trap, they were putting canned food. They would go in there with their hands and take the food out, making the customer look silly. So they called us up in arms. They were very frustrated. And they were like, Paul, how could we get rid of this raccoons? We have very little success. And I was like, well, we're smarter than animals. Even though they're God's creation, he gives us dominion over them. I'm going to give you a couple tips and trips on raccoon trapping, because we do realize sometimes people can't afford mice treatments, rat treatments, squirrel, raccoons. We're a more advanced company. We do bat exclusion, flying squirrels, and they could be rather costly. We try to sharpen up pencil. We try to make every treatment affordable and reasonable priced. We give long guarantees on our animal proofing, squirrels, raccoons, bats, 5 years. But sometimes people, it's not within their budget. So with raccoon trapping, raccoons love pate, cat food, seafood. So if you go to your local store, your food store, get cat food, seafood pate. They love it. They go after it all the time. And as you can see here, she finished it all up. Now, our trapping is for the outside. You have groundhogs, raccoons out on the yard area. That's when we'll trap. But they can also go inside the structure. Raccoons more or less go inside. A majority of the time, they're going to go in your structure, and the female raccoon wants to drop her litter. So we use one-way tunnels for the inside structure. That goes as well as bats, squirrels, flying squirrels, etc. Raccoons. We put our one-way tunnel systems to where they exit and can't re-enter. On the bottom of this description, we have a real treatment in Montclair, New Jersey. It explains the treatment better than we can. You could see that. We give 5-year written guarantees, and our prices are reasonable and affordable, and we're the people you want to use. We've been around since the 90s now. One more tip. If they're taking their hands and going after the food inside, come back here to the back of the trap, past the lever. The lever's over here. Watch out, honey. The lever's over here. When they step on that lever, it's going to close the door. So you want to get a piece of string or wire. Get some KFC chicken. I know, don't laugh. KFC chicken works the best. Put it through there, tie it on the back to where it hangs so they can step on the lever, and boom, you got them. Our Northern Jersey number is 973-388-9126. For Central Jersey and the Jersey Shore, that number is 732-664-5667. And we're branching out to Rockland County, New York these days, Staten Island. That phone number is 845-770-4224. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening, and God bless. Say goodbye.